Unity Radio. Here with our promoters, we have Ben Taga. Woo! Woo!
Wow.
Ultimate Media. Candy Bobie Entertainment. Hot Rod Shop. Candy Bobie Entertainment. Pull up. And Lanya. To me a queen a king can no man me up him. DJ Young, pull it down. Yeah, but the Unity Hot Rod Show. Nyoboti ni macha kime winyu. One kumberu kitu eno kare. It's all about entertainment. Yeah. More so this lockdown period to me yinametik pashukanwe no Unity mi tot galawang kwene ukobni kagalawang tikane ne tune in Unity Radio. Peti kanwa yingwor ye. Na kobuni ginamene na ruhi doge chani. Mana bedo effort adit twala me konen paruhu gini nen yopa ye yakato kanene. Ye kane na building. Yeah. Otikache kede Ben Taga, Trust the God Africa. I'm introducing Ben Oko, Ekata Donyo Kache Kede, promoters wa Ekato Giko Kedgi. In the building, Ben Taga. We have to put on this. Even Muse himself, Anahawara Umachametati Madressing Joanna Tuk Ruhu Ginana Ruhi Chani. Huh? Yeah? We have to talk about this. And we sensitize the public from coronavirus. Ben.
Apoya matek Kenny Bobie Entertainment. Andalwanya ni Ben Boniface Olanya. Atiuke the Angel Molwani Trust a Girl Africa. Among all Jehani Taga. Want to teach a bit Mario may go face mask. Ana chenja adung lobokob. Nijo Dutch new root face mask. Kenny ye can you take the face mask can. Mask a major ruhu duchigan but me Trust a Girl Africa. One tijiko mask ame mudi serving la loro mask watie wel machili mtutumia deha dek pia noti kede filter ye kai winyo otikede reception me Unity FM kan kana merombi nungu mask ni ko ye ena me ber ena mo recommending noti kede filter ye nyoka pe tore wori office wa amete di tracker chon nungu mask ni ko mask wa tikede filter ye apo wa eno.
So Ben mena mata ni ruhi chani manti obedo reuse
bio teruku date loko date ruku kitememo ko bogere advert ni
so mio ne ami to penya mi to kone no pien mando no style peten yang no ami to wood team kiteme ko bogeno mi apenyo endo.
Yes,
so you can get this mask ekete ruku pashukanu ya mando kai wili chiel no de wilo ko eka Ben you are told me to reaching Jin wekonung kide Germany dushi. What can we do?
One of the agents wa ichana metie almost across la loro. Without donating mask, both district task force melao ijama mitibudo agents. One jolu jabe the kido karachel.
Yeah.
Na chimene kai mito mask. Go chim note abiro adek.
Yeah.
Adek aboro abiro note aboro abichel 0773 387086.
Ben, atamo around me joke in ametia when you white channing you. Mainly when we talk about this mask, your opinion, where are we producing this thing from? Pien quality men a hanikoma time yellow coma. Mask you're producing in Pachukan, kede you're importing this thing.
Mask vani ene,
yeah,
you're producing in Pachukan.
Wow.
Dang, but the material ame oloni wax. Akubuni mask watike the filter ye, the one cannot you kede ilao kanene. Mask to put better la but taga mask.
Taga mask.
Tunungalira kanene.
Taga mask.
Kiato mask ni raising chene, kwa nyatina nyaho. Timi tuwele materials medical pads. Kede charana me training tina nyira.
Yeah. Before we go through Atamo Ben, Let's sign it out one for you. Then we come back with the other promoters in the building. Portable Unity Radio, we are trying to keep you there locked in any mono sessions at all, yeah? We have to keep you safe aspect of all. When we talk about coronavirus, this thing is real. And we have Chakanaha Koketi Dushu in this show. We are trying to put everything. Maybe you cop me coronavirus, but the first thing, yeah? We have to talk about it. The innovative viewing were online, yeah? In sessions of all, I mean, no one of Korea, Kanobe, Kachik, Ben Taga, Medokachi, Joa, Kanamoti, Kanen, the biggest promoters in town, yeah? Yeah, man, promoters are promoting way not only in Lango, but also in the whole northern region, when they are pushing ahead. So, they also take reviews, I mean, not taking a neno about Jamenotia team in this season, me coronavirus period, yeah? Achalo, Jama Paul Jobiro Meyo, Jobiro Locapol to 12, Guinea Kum Gidekoni. No, yeah? This is an entertainment show. How can you only bring artists and one or two promoting as in entertainment industry? Eka one promoters, then you leave us. Kundeka, okay, want to talk, the pekiwa. We also have our problem. America, okay, no jopetia no. Yeah? Ngatamelisha kodonyo kide monobedo spraga, monomegulu. Yeah? We also out to contact our people, promoters and not pashila kanene. Amechane want to keji kanene. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm called Promoter Spat.
Promoter Spat.
Yeah.
And Spat no one amerunga yaloni. I'm also surprised to see him. Spat.
Yes.
How is it going?
Yeah, it's quite well.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you wanted to say but?
No, not bad.
But?
I didn't want to say no, but it's quite well.
Or we leave it to Starboy.
Yeah.
We have little time. Let's talk about this.
I stand with Spraga thing. Pober get a jam promoter second better awareness. Yeah, we're just awareness. They're recognizing the artists, they're recognizing the DJs, and we the promoters, they're not mentioning
they're recognizing
our name.
The blood moons.
Yeah, and our name was not mentioned in there. So we are surprised. Are we also in this industry? Yeah, if we are there.
When we talk of entertainment, we mean the promoters, we mean the producers, we mean the DJs, we mean everything, yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So
for that,
meaning ni kado ben entertainment.
Yeah.
Jero do miro bet sorted kita metikede. In line kita miro bet keno.
Yeah.
Starboy.
Yeah, so kira one town yankere. Jam kita wote jama mono ini ngejo ko wenyo ya mor wore jara. Te wot mo morero man ge pe bi radio me ko ni. Pero konya twali. Ata ko kani wana me recognizing wa.
Yeah.
How
do you want to be recognized, Starboy?
Obviously, I think Joe Gine. I made Joe mentioning Gine. Joe mentioning music industry. Jere don't you get DJs fast?
DJ Young. Chinga anu incha ana winyi ne kerugi no ebag. DJ Young that emu ngako ba. Chiwa tiki DJ sa pola jota bagwa chimni. One now king jama jo mi oni oko. One bit the jama task force for me money no UTC. Jo kenda oli bekede. Jo amu bit following wa online robo nyang na watu kone pe wana bit posting dushu. Young acharo DJ yini nuo ginora.
Penyu ne ginora bat panyang ginora ko bano. Like in what way? Gina
chama mara.
Later district task force giro mio ginora. Mio DJs po mian kena. Mio wagire decora.
So DJ Young and yo kone gino nuo ginora. Yeah? Then music industry. Huh?
Yeah.
Cha wa loho kopi. Blood moon donya kan gupa men. Pango kan tiki de chingi na want to loko ni kede no beru ngwa want to loko. Blood moon, come, please. We are live on Hair Unity Radio We are live on YouTube, Facebook, Candy Boom Entertainment, Unity Radio.
I'm no neta winyu radio. But I no. Gina me duty loconi, but gina peer tag because gino can a dog board gamente. No better gina peer tag. Pemiro ginorbero. Hair a bed no, better cheer. Yeah, your poke artist ginor hitidi. I mean, Anna are leading. I am
So
the
Blood Moon
chairman.
you leading in here?
Yeah, Anna are leading. I'm the chairman.
Okay, you know you are the
And,
right person to be questioned.
yeah.
Blood Moon, Gino Bedoka for only artists or DJs or promoters. Ongol, make us know about that.
You know, give me a donation.
Yeah?
I may catch a report for me. No comment port bet here.
Mm.
But I bedo very surprised.
Mm.
Maybe you Atela or Joshua media to radio. I bedo get communication. Man,
These are your promoters.
yeah, and then no, I better get a wood and no my promoters no to radio. Yeah.
Then you're talking, yeah?
The new mirror look at it.
Yeah, yeah.
Ana communicating with RDC. One to and is basket Mr. D.
Yeah.
I go Starboy chim. Da go chimu do he deg. I go Benny Starboy. Me and ying Timmy Dushu. That I got about Brashan. I go Benny
Blood
Brashan.
Moon, Blood Moon, let's be straight.
You're
talking about musician or artist,
no,
but now you're crossing aside to promoters.
And look in general because Anna ya tell leading Gino Kaubino.
But in Kobia Chakini, Gino Jotima signing for only artists.
Tieni mom, Kaloni music. Jama duwa TMT music.
Yeah.
Na unity lo he Mike. It lo Jama connected to music.
But I'm not singing. But I'm in
you
entertainment.
can sing.
Yeah.
So, Ginaka mete we radio ni angabe. Tieni Germany tia binu mumot. Ka binu jomio. Balokoni ocho nying promoters wani, ocho nying DJs. DJs meti lao dushwe. Dan a communicating both Brashan, a community Brashan, choya nying DJs du chamengo ti la ite kelwe. Mewe hawot usa meeting meka ginoro binu we jope will kerengo kengiyo. I also call Starboy. I could be Starboy ni choya nying promoters du ite kelo borra. Niange? Enen ti kan beru chadena. Keni nyu Germany en rie, nyu gere Germany arache. Bari chama ri batimo ngo tunu. Gina kan ote kwayo eno.
En kin doctor bumudo, ni ora tuan doctor chiri. Not only me in the building, otika chekede artist, ngatametia representing artists. Amenotia lawyer cop mepoko gina ne wacho lo yene. And mono Blood Moon, yeah. Kachekede promoters wa tukatuge kachekede kohoge. Okay, not even koho, but they are trying to raise their voice, yeah. Just to reach the people concerned. Ni kabeda manono. Wana ubero jo anu miro bedigini eto jo shingo wako. But there is no any forum they can't be heard, yeah. Apart from this entertainment show, one time we can use it. Echo to Kelo. Achalo Unity, we know we are the people raising everyone out there. We look at you. Uneno, jame dusha menoti kanwe no. One potima signing ka kede artist, potima signing ka kede jokene, but uneno categories dushu menoni everyone jobero toneno. You do consider in the society. Yeah, Unity Hot Rod Show.